How to set up and manage online bill payments with Santander Bank. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Santander Bank mobile application on your device. Further, go ahead and log yourself in by entering your login credentials. Once logged in, you will be led to the home page of Santander Bank. Tap on the Bill Pay Quick Link option. You will then see the option for Add a Company or Person. Tap on that and then go ahead and select a bill category and the name of a company or the type of the company or person. Now, select a bill category and the name of the company. Type the name of the company or person and then fill in the account information and then tap on the Add Account button. Now go ahead and complete the payment information and then tap on the Make Payment option. So, this is how you can set up online bill payments with Santander Bank. Now, to manage the bills, go to the Bill Pay section to view your payment history and the status of upcoming payments. If you need to change or cancel a scheduled payment, select a payment from your list and follow the prompts to edit or cancel it. Some platforms allow you to set reminders for upcoming payments. Look for a reminders or notifications option to help you stay on track. Regularly check your statements for any discrepancies or issues with your payments. If you pay, information changes like an address or account number, make sure to update it in your bill pay settings. So this is how you can set up and manage online bill payments with Santander Bank. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.